Modern frameworks come with tools that help us to set up the project faster. Angular does this with something called Angular CLI. So let's see what it is and how it works. A CLI means command line interface. It consists of a set of tools that you can access with your terminal and that allows you to perform a common task. An Angular CLI is mainly used to scaffold an application, which means creating an app with common settings quickly using simple commands. Using CLI requires a separate installation, but you need to have Node.js already installed on your PC. Within Node.js, you will also be using the NPM, which is the Node Package Manager. The CLI has several commands that you can use to create, serve, build, generate components, and much more. They all start with the ng prefix. So let's look at some of the common commands that we will be using in this course. The first command you will get used to is the ng-new command. This allows you to create and scaffold a new application. It creates all the files that you need for a basic project. We will cover the file structure in the next lecture. After the ng-new command, you will want to see how your project looks like. To see the project in live, we will use the ng-serve command to run the application in the development mode. This will use the webpack, which is a tool that processes the code in your application and runs a temporary live server that will auto-update based on the changes that you make. Once the development is done, the next thing you would want to do is to publish your project. The ng-build command will process your files and get them ready for deploying. This is a little different process than the using ng-serve because it produces files that you can upload to your server. Finally, we have the ng-generate command that will help us to generate various pieces of Angular code for you. You can use this to generate components, types, and other sets of pieces that you can use in your application. Let's go ahead and install the Angular CLI and let's try some of these commands.